So it's been pouring rain here for quite a while. The yard is a swamp, water puddled everywhere, and often get asked if bees come out in the rain. And the answer is absolutely. Here it's raining, they're like, ooh, water, no big deal. Here these are out foraging and they're coming in and out by the dozens. Just give me a little flyby. Here, more foragers in and out. As a general rule, if it's above about 45 degrees, roughly, give or take a little bit, no matter what the weather is doing, bees are going to be out. Rain, of course, they enjoy sunshine the most, but rain, snow, it doesn't matter. If it's 45 degrees, bees are going to be out doing the bee thing. It's got slipped here, it's kind of muddy.